What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alexandria, back at it again with another YouTube video. If you're new to this channel, what's good, what's poppin', what's up? Happy to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you. Keep the consistency up because you're fueling me right now, okay? You give me life, give me life. Yes, so before we do get into this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang, gang, gang. Hit it for me, can't stop. Hey, won't stop. Hey, dun 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 dun. Hey, ooh, dun. Hey, dun. Hit it one more time. Dun 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 dun. Yes. Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. So if you don't know by now, we are on the road to 600 subscribers. Okay, 18, stand up loud and proud. Raise your hand, clap your hands, stomp your feet. Yeah, clap your hands, stomp your feet. Stop playing with me. So every single day of this month, of the month of April, and I know we coming to an end, but I will be uploading a video every single day. If you missed any of those videos, just go back and look. Okay, look at them, they're there. I've uploaded every single day, and I'm honestly 100% proud of myself. I mean, who would have thought? Who would have thought? All it took was quarantine to happen. But yeah, so for today's video, I want to be showing you guys how I edit my thumbnails. Okay, if you look at my thumbnails, like if you look at before, honestly, sometimes I really don't be caring about my thumbnails. I just be like, oh, let me just put this up because I'm just trying to put this video up and I don't got time for no thumbnail. But you gotta make time for the of the thumbnails. So I'm about to show y'all how I be making my thumbnails. I make my thumbnails two ways, but I'm gonna show y'all just one way today, just because if y'all want the other way, just ask for it and I'll give it to you. But I'm gonna show y'all how I make my thumbnails on the computer. Also, like the other way that I make my thumbnails, oh, back up off me. The other way that I make my thumbnails is on my phone, and honestly doing it on my phone is so much easier. Honestly, in my opinion, it saves so much time. You kind of know where everything at. But since I'm already on my computer, and it's more convenient for me to do it on my computer, honestly, so that's why I do it on my computer. So I'm about to show y'all how I edit my thumbnails. Okay, so if you're ready, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm probably gonna end up moving this camera to like kind of position it better, but right now, yeah, I already gotta move the camera, so let me okay. So right now what I am doing is editing a video for this month. So this video is almost done anyways. Honestly, I feel like let me export this video and then, you know, make it make sense. So I'm gonna just export this video real quick so I can get this out the way, so that by the time I'm done exporting by the time I'm done filming this video, this export should be done. So what did I just record? Okay, all right, viral videos. Oh my gosh, y'all know what I hate so much? When people talking what they type. So yeah, let me save that before. No, that's not what I named it. Sorry. Right. Alright. So so let me go to the app. www.pixlr.com. I'm something with the man in the mirror. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go to create new, and then you just make it the dimensions of the thumbnail. So that's 1280 by 720, so that's all I'm doing. And then I'm just naming my thumbnail. I don't even know. Oh, this is a weird question tag. Alright, so like the theme I have with my thumbnails is like, you do not have to do this at all, but this is what I like to do with my thumbnails. So what I do with my thumbnails is, if it's a makeup video, I put it on a red background. But if it's a anything else type of video, I put it on a blue background. And to me, it's just cute, and it makes the layout of my thumbnails, it looks cute to me, so that's why I do it. So I'm just gonna already have, since I do this all the time, already have just like a blue background already saved. All right, go. Blue background. I'm just going to fit that right here. All right, there we go. All right, so now all I need to do is basically just pick the photo that I will be using for my thumbnail. Don't know which one that is, so change. Oh my gosh, what did I do? So now what you do is, like I said, you just choose a picture. I don't know which one look better, A, B, A or B. I feel like B really looks better, but all right, yeah, so we're gonna go with B. So that's 3074. Close that out. All right, so now we just gonna add another image.
Where the fuck are the breadsticks? Oh, you took one out.
They're right on the side.
I got scared.
All right. Okay, so now clearly y'all see that I'm just fitting it to the dimensions that I need it to be at. No. All right, there we go. Shrink a dink dink, shrink a dink dink. So like I said, the blue, I like my thumbnails to have the blue background. So if y'all can't see, let me see. Y'all see that? It got the blue background in the back. So I didn't make the picture as big as the blue background because I still want y'all to see my blue background, okay? It's all about the details. All right, so moving on. What we do now, that's fitting on there. So you got to keep in mind whatever, like what is your video about, okay? And you just kind of start doing graffiti. That's all you do, just graffiti this mess up. So like I said, mine is a weird question tag. So I'm just gonna, like, you know, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put like questions on here, and you put questions that are like triggered, that's gonna make somebody want to be nosy and click on your video. So whatever is in your thumbnail need to be something like an attention grabber. What someone would click on it because they want to be nosy and they want to look. Because you gotta keep in mind, if your thumbnail is boring and uninterested, you are like, your thumbnail is for you to sell your video, okay? It's the ticket, it's the golden ticket. And if your thumbnail looking all ugly and cringy and a hot mess, ain't nobody gonna want it, okay? Ain't nobody gonna want it. You can start, like, one thing you can type out is like the title of the video. So since I'm doing a weird question tag, I'm gonna type in weird question tag, and then 2 exclamation points. You feels? And then I like to do all of my text in red because, you know, who doesn't want to look at red? Like red screams to me alert, alert, alert. So okay, there we go. Weird question tag, big money. And you can change the font to whatever. I like having like cute fonts, so, but you need to also make sure it's still readable. Living la vida loca. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's really cute. That's real cute. Alright, weird question tag. Got that there. And then just to like add effects, I'm gonna just do some, I want to put some emojis on there, you know, to like, what's that hands out emoji? Hands out emoticon. Yes, boy, how you knew? But okay, when you're trying to put like an emoji on top of a picture, you want to use the PNG version, the one that has like the transparent background on there. Jazz hands. Right, so then we wanna just add that on here as well.
Ooh, good days in here, all right.
And then I also want the door emoji. If that's the name of the emoji, I don't know. Yeah, how did they know? They knew exactly what I wanted. Right, and we're just gonna do the same thing, add that on here as well.
I wish you could come with this beauty, but you haven't.
Alright, and so basically that's just, you know, my thumbnail. Like, do y'all see that? It's simple, but it's cute. And the more elaborate the video, the better and more intricate the thumbnail could be. But that's a cute thumbnail, and I will click on this video. You feel me? Like, if I saw somebody with a thumbnail like that, I'm like, oh, that's your bad so she looking girl. I'm about to click on her video, see what she got to say. You feel me? That's what I do. So, you know, it's your life. You can live your life how you want to. That basically concludes the video on how you make, how I make my thumbnail. Like I said, I have a way to make my thumbnail on the phone, so if y'all want to see that, just let me know and I'll make that one for you too. But like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. And make sure you do this for the culture all 2020 gang. Bye.